Hello, Brady. What's up? It is I, your best friend, or just friend, it doesn't matter. If you're not Brady, screw off. But if you are Brady, hello, dude. So, obviously you're having a little trouble installing mods. Hold on, I gotta fix my chair. What the heck? Whatever. Okay. Alright. So, obviously you're having a little trouble installing Minecraft Forge and Optifine. So, I thought I would just help you a little bit. Whatever. So, here are the three things we want to install, right? Here's Minecraft Forge, here's Optifine, and here's the texture pack. So, just ignore the texture pack for right now. These will be different icons because you don't have WinRAR, but I have WinRAR. So, when you're ready to install everything, make sure you have a new .minecraft. So let me do that real quick. I will be right back. Okay, here we are again, Brady. So, once you're done with that, well, hold on. Just let me show you what to do. First, as you can see, I'm in my roaming, which is % f at %. Now, you see .minecraft right here? What you want to do is just right-click it and delete it, okay? And then, yeah, just yes. Because you messed it up the last time I talked to you, and, yeah. So, after you're done with that, just close your roaming and launch Minecraft. So, this will launch, okay? Your username and password will not be there, as you can see. So what you gotta do is type them in. I know, so much work. Okay? After you know that it's done, just hit login. And remember password, just so you know. And just hit login. Now it'll start downloading files. Wait till that's done. Okay? So I will be back to you right when it's done. Okay, so it's done. Now, as you can see, it comes up with a blank Minecraft. Your worlds won't be there. Your servers won't be there, and your texture packs, most everything won't be there. It'll just say Minecraft 1.4.5 in the lower left-hand corner. So now, close Minecraft. There you go. Now, go to roaming. %app, DATA, %. No spaces. Now, it'll come up with this. Go to your .minecraft. You should see a small folder this time. Now, go to bin. Okay. Now, on your screen, because you have 7-zip and I have WinRAR, but you should say, right-click it, open with, and it should come up with 7-zip over here. But if it doesn't, it should be somewhere in this list when you right-click it, okay? Like, kind of like these files right here, but, okay. So open that with 7-zip, or whatever. So, there it is. So it comes up like this. So, you'll see this file called made.inf. Just don't do anything right now because, yeah, Now, so, here's your Minecraft.jar, okay? Now, open Minecraft Forge with 7-zip. So again, just right-click it and say open with, and then 7-zip should be here. And if it's not, it's somewhere in the list. So yeah, just open Minecraft Forge. So now, what you want to do is hit Control A. Now don't see the folder at the top that says just ... Keep holding Control and click on that, and that'll deselect the file. Okay, now stop holding Control, click the files, drag them over to your Minecraft.jar, and drop them in. So just wait for that. There's a lot of files. And then once that's done, hit OK or whatever, because, yeah. So now you're done with Minecraft Forge, so go ahead and close that. So that's out of the way. Oh, feck, what did I just do? Oh, feck. Okay, well, don't do that. Okay, once that... hold on, this is getting me... Oh, it's still there. Okay, sorry. So that's out of the way, so just drag that somewhere else, so you know you're done. Now, here's Optifine. Open that with 7-zip, right-click, open with 7-zip. If it's not there, it's somewhere in the list. Okay, so open that with 7-zip. Now, Same thing you did with my, oh wait, first, no, first, see this folder in, what the feck? Oh, god damn it. I did, what the feck? Okay. This is not going to work, hold on. Okay, this should have worked here, I think so. Should have. Yeah, alright, it worked. So, you'll see this folder called meta-inf in all caps on your in your Minecraft.jar. Just right click it and delete the files in it and hit yes. Cause that's bad. It keeps you from having mods. It'll just disable them once you install them. Okay. So now keep that open and open up your Optifine like I said. Now just hit Control A and keep holding Control and just click this top file right here, this top folder that is ... Okay, just don't do it. It's bad. So then once you're done with that, click it, drag it over to your Minecraft.jar and drop it. And hit OK. And it'll refresh this and you're done. So now you're gonna launch Minecraft and log in. Now drag it over to the side because we're not done. Oh, and this thing, wait, hold on, just let me show you for a sec. Now, don't be scared because this next part is about to get a little scary, okay? So hit log in. Now, this will pop up. This is just finding the mods you've installed. It's not a virus or anything, so you'll still get to play. It just checks that you have mods installed and that your Minecraft is legal, which I hope yours is, because I don't know if it is. You're kind of a shady character, Brady. But anyway, yeah. Once that's done, it will start. See? Right there. Minecraft. Okay, so let's just wait. Now, it'll come up with this. Drag it over to the side. It should say 3 mods loaded in the bottom left-hand corner, sorry. Under Minecraft 1.4.5. It should say a whole bunch of crap that you don't understand. Now, the texture packs thing. You finally get to use this. So open that. Now at the bottom, you should see done and open texture pack folder. Open texture pack folder. It should be empty. So just drag that to the side. Now what you want to do with your texture pack is just copy it. Click on the texture packs folder. Right click and paste. And now that's in there as you can see. So close the texture packs folder. Click on facts, pure bittycraft, whatever. Now it'll be the same text. Oh, no, it won't because I've already done this, but okay. It should come up like this somehow. Now, you're going to need to change some settings in-game. So hit single player, create a world, or if you have one, that's great. Go to creative. Yeah, whatever. So now just create the new world. Now just wait for that to load. And I'll show you what to do when you're in. Okay. So, here we're going. It'll do this a couple times, just don't worry. And it should say right there, a new Optifine, or, well, whatever. It should say something. Now, this is annoying, but okay. Now, as you can see, things are kind of slow on my screen, so hit escape, go to options. I gotta change this because this is annoying me. Just turn this off. Okay, you don't have to do that, but you know. So, now go to video settings. Change graphics to fast, smooth lighting 100%. Render distance, you don't want that on far. As you can see, it's a little slider bar now. Change it to normal. Just normal, because, yeah, that's what you want, and it's faster. So, it'll have a whole bunch of numbers. You want just normal without any numbers, okay? Performance, you want max FPS, okay? And as you can see in the preferences, it'll say fastest. So put max FPS on. View bobbing, leave that on. Leave this off. Leave this default. Leave that like that. Leave that like that. Turn your brightness all the way up. Now go to animations, okay? You want all of these on. So hit this button, all on, okay? So wait for that. Okay, so now it's done. So now you're done with that. So, okay. So now you're done with animations. Now go to quality. Now, leave your mini-map level off because you don't have a mini-map. That's just another mod. Leave this off. If you want to see underwater, turn clear water on. Better grass, leave that off. Custom fonts, turn that on because if you don't have it on, well, if you do have it on, it'll come up with the nice fancy text I have here. But if you leave that off, it'll do the normal default Minecraft pixelated text kind of crapsy like this. So you want to turn that on. And just wait for that. Now, swamp colors, leave that on. Connected textures, as you can see, it's fancy right now. You want to change that to fast. Okay? Minimap level, nearest, you can turn that off if you want. Or, no, just, there's no off, so just leave it at the one it's already at. You're going to have to wait a sec here. Yeah, so just leave it at nearest. Okay, leave this off. Put random mobs on, because that's a pretty cool feature. Put better snow off, because that's just like better grass, except for with snow. Put custom colors on. Smooth biomes on. Natural textures off, because if you have natural textures on, it will do the normal Minecraft textures. So, once you've done all those preferences, hit done, and you're back at this screen. So now go to performance. Now, this is where it's the most important to change. You want smooth FPS on. Okay? Load far, keep that off. Chunk updates per frame, you want it on 1. So, smooth world, leave that on because it's faster. Preloaded chunks, turn that off. Dynamic updates, turn that off. Okay? So that's done. Now, what am I doing here? Okay, and then other, I think, yeah. So, Lego meter, leave that off. Weather, if you want it to snow and rain, you keep that on. If you don't, just turn it off. Full screen, you leave that off because it's more laggy. Server textures, turn that off because it'll lag your game and you don't have a server. You want to change autosave to 2 seconds because then if your Minecraft crashes with this mod installed, it will save your world. You want to leave full screen mode to default because, yeah. You want time to be default unless you want it always day or always night, as you can see. Debug profiler, leave that off. So now you're done. And once you've done all that, your game should run smoothly with no lag, as you can see. And you can do this. It's only lagging right now because I'm recording, but even when I'm recording, look at this. It's like picture perfect. So yeah, and okay. You see how this grass is moving? It's not part of the texture pack, don't worry. You actually have to download a pack for this. It's just an add-on. That's how I get my Tekkit patches and stuff too. So yeah, there's all your stuff. It should be patched. So this sparkling ore will not be in again. That's just another add-on. So if you see like fire and portals on the side of any like grass blocks or something, you know you've done something wrong. So just rewind the video and watch it again, because I know what I'm doing. So I hope that helped you a lot, Brady. And if it did, just give this video a like, and you know, and just FaceTime me when you've done that. And if it doesn't work, I'll help you. So yeah, so that's what to do. So I'll see you later, Brady. Goodbye.